Hello friend, this is the second video of learning Russian language, and today we will learn days of the week. And in Russian it's called Dne Недели. Dne Недели, days of the week. Dne Недели. So let's start. Monday, Понедельник, 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 Понедельник. Tuesday, Вторник, Вторник. Here the first alphabet look like B is actually alphabet V in Russian language. But here instead of sound like V, it sounds like F. Вторник, Вторник, Вторник. Wednesday, Sreda, Sreda. Sreda, Sreda. Thursday, Четверг, 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 Четверг. Friday, Пятница, 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 Пятница. Saturday, Subota, 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 Subota. And the last one is Sunday. And in Russian it's the longest words and names of the days. Воскресенье, 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 Воскресенье. So this is the names of the days in Russian language. Hope so you learn it and enjoy it. Thank you for watching.